Hi guys, Zach here with Proline Range Hoods here today, and we're unboxing our PLJW 130 range hood. We're gonna take everything out of the box, show you what it comes with, prepare it for installation so you guys can follow along. Now we've gone ahead and removed everything from the box itself. So obviously we have our range hood wrapped in a protective covering here. We also have our stainless steel baffle filters that come in their own separate box, the transition piece that you'll need when installing the range hood. We also have the hardware and manual that will kind of be necessary for installing any of the pieces. You guys can follow that manual along while you do that. We also have the mounting bracket that it will come with, as well as a mounting bracket for your chimney. Now, depending on the size of your range hood, the chimney might come in a separate box, but look out for this little piece because it will be included inside the box, and that's the mounting bracket for your chimney. We've gone ahead and set everything else aside for now so we can take a look at the range hood. And again, today on our PLJW 130, we're looking at the 36-inch model. Now this also comes in sizes of 30 inches, 36, 42, or 48 inches. And depending on which size you guys go with, it's going to change which blower option comes inside of the range hood, as you guys can see here. So on our 30 and 36-inch models, that's going to come with a single 900 CFM blower. And then with our 42 and 48-inch model, it's going to come with a dual blower setup of 1200 CFM. So this is one of our most popular models and one of the most tested blowers that we have here at Proline. So no matter which one you guys decide to go with, you're gonna get plenty of power, durable and reliable in any cooking environment. We're gonna set up our stainless steel baffle filters now and get those ready for installation. Now we've gone ahead and taken our baffle filters out of their separate box, and inside and first, we need to put our grease tray in. It's going to come in that same box and it's very easy to install. We're just gonna place it down here in the bottom of the range hood, kind of just slide it down into the side, and then it's gonna have this little lip at the top that you guys can just pinch into place here, and then it's gonna be nice and snug. And now that we've got our grease tray installed, we can go ahead and put in our baffle filters themselves. We'll kind of drop this in at an angle and then push the top all the way back into the spot that it's designed for, and we'll pull it back into place and we can slide it over and then install the second one. Now, our stainless steel baffle filters are great because they are dishwasher safe. So they're super durable and very reliable. You guys are gonna be able to clean these and use them forever. Now, after we've got those filters installed, we can look at the top of the range hood where we're gonna see our 2 LED lights. Now, these are great for any low light cooking environment. If you're having dinner maybe in a darker space, they last a lifetime. They're very easy to remove or replace if you guys need to. And then on the front of the range hood is going to be our black LCD touch panel. You guys can control everything on the range hood from here, powering it on and off, controlling those lights that we just talked about. It also has a self shut off timer you guys can use, and then controlling the 4 speeds of the blower from its highest, most powerful, all the way up to the 4th speed, down to the lowest and most quiet at our lowest speed at 1. So there you guys have it. That's the unboxing of our PLJW 130 wall range hood. Again, one of our most popular models, and you can tell why. We have this cool pyramid shape coming down the range hood, but it's also kind of rounded edges. So it's gonna look great inside of any kitchen. We've got our chimney up. This thing's ready to go up inside of a home. If you guys have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team or check out our full catalog over on ProlineRangeHoods.com.